Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by placing equals today into a cell so the sheet always shows the current date. This is dynamic when the workbook recalculates the value updates, which is why you use it for live deadlines. Once entered, make sure to set the cell format to the date style you want so comparisons behave predictably. You can also wrap today in arithmetic or other functions to compute ages, remaining days, or period starts. This keeps formulas concise and reliable. You now integrate today into practical formulas to automate decisions. For example, subtract today from a deadline to get days remaining. That numeric result can feed conditional formatting. Once done, wrap today in if statements to display human-friendly status like overdue versus on track, and use network days or month with today for business day counts or month-end cutoffs. Make sure to lock references when copying formulas, and test with sample dates so logic. You finish by deciding whether the date must remain live or become a fixed snapshot. Copy and paste values when you need a static record. If dates don't update, press F9 or confirm calculation is set to automatic so today refreshes. Also watch for format or time zone mismatches that make results look wrong. If a cell behaves like text, add +0 or wrap value around today to force a numeric date. These steps resolve most common today function issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.